Hi friends, my name is Kritzy and I am a international boudoir photographer. Today I wanted to share with you about just some tips on how you can stay in your own lane. So let's go.
You do things to me that I just can't describe. The way you say my name just makes me tremble deep inside. I wanna feel your touch and get enough of your sweet.
For me personally, I have such a hard time with this. I'm always admiring other people's work, especially on Instagram. I'm just scrolling through and I'm like, oh my God, this photo is so beautiful. Why can't I shoot like this? So everybody's style is different. You just really have to look at your own work and appreciate it. And I know sometimes that's so hard to do, especially when you're starting out or you haven't been shooting as long as some other people. So, well, actually that's a lie because I've been shooting for a long time and sometimes I still feel this way. So it's just a mindset. You really have to tell yourself that you are growing and that it just takes time, and you'll always be growing, always. No matter how good you get, you'll always want to be better. At least for me, that's how I feel. I feel like I'm good, but I feel like I still just want to be better. Like I want to achieve that certain style that is just like the best. Although, you know, who knows if I'll ever get there, but it's something good for everybody to strive to, because you have to strive for something, right? So anyway, one of the things that I wanted to say is everybody has to start somewhere. Like I've done all kinds of jobs and then I finally figured out that photography was my jam. So, but it took me a long time to figure that out. And the reason why is because I didn't think I was good enough. I would shoot things. My friends would tell me how great the photos were. And I'd just be like, yeah, they're okay. And then one day I had a friend that got married and wanted me to photograph her wedding. And I was just like, oh, I can't do this. Like, you know, I've never shot a wedding before. And she was like, I don't care. It's going to be like really small. I want you to do it. I love your photos. So I did it, and she loved the photos. All of our friends loved the photos, and everybody kept encouraging me to be a wedding photographer. So that's basically where I started. I started as a wedding photographer, and then it led into shooting boudoir. I've been a boudoir photographer for about 15 years, and I've been a wedding photographer for 20. So that's a long time. But I love it. I still love weddings. I definitely love boudoir more. Boudoir is definitely my passion. It just speaks to me. I love being able to help women and helping them see just how beautiful they are and helping them embrace that. So anyway, when I first started out, it was really hard because I did feel like I wasn't good enough, and I had to really get past that. And no matter how often people would tell me that they thought that my photos were great, I still thought, you know, I'm just not good enough. Like I always wanted to be better. And now I look back and I think that it actually was a good thing that I felt that way, because that's what pushed me and motivated me to become a better photographer. And to this day, I still feel the same way. Like I do think that I have some great photos, but I also know that I can be better. And so I'm always working to improve and just trying different techniques, whether it's lighting or different equipment, and just kind of always moving forward. I feel like the photographers that I've known over my career, that once they get to the point that they think, oh my God, I'm amazing, then that's when they start going downhill, because they never really go past that and they just don't grow anymore. And if you get to a point that you're not growing, then you're going to get left behind, especially in this industry. So just keep that in mind. Always try to grow and always try to be the best photographer that you can be, the best business person that you can be. Business is huge for this. Like you're never sorry, you will never succeed as a successful photographer if you don't know business. You're gonna have to learn it. So keep that in mind too. Like go take some business classes, ask some friends to help you on the business side to teach you what they know, but definitely learn the business side if you want to be successful. So pretty much that's it. I just wanted to hop on and tell you a little bit about that, in my opinion, my views, whatever. But I'm glad that you're here. And if you follow me on Instagram and you popped over, I would love if you want to comment down below and just say you're an Instagram follower. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I hope that you will. I'll show you right here where it is, and I'll have a link down below. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit the subscribe button. I love new followers and adding new people to my community. So also say hi down below. I'd love to say hello back and get to know you. So thanks so much for being here, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.